How to fix GCash app account is on hold. So if your account is on hold, that might be because the GCash team has discovered some kind of suspicious activities on your account. So that's why they put your account on hold. Now to unlock your account, you will need to contact the customer support team from GCash. So just tap on Chrome or any browser you have, search for GCash customer service, and you will see this help center right here. Just tap on GCash help center. It will open up the help center for GCash. So here you will see different options regarding your account, your load, transfer, send, or cash in, or cards. You can see many more options here as well. So you just want to go to your account, and once you do that, you'll see many options right here, but your account is on hold or something related to that is not available on this. So what you want to do is tap on this hamburger menu at the top right and tap on contact us. So it will direct you to this page where you can chat with their AI assistant. So just tap on chat with Gigi, and it will open up a chatbot where you can tell it your problem. So here you can type your message, something like, my account is on hold, please help me get it back. So something like this. You can send a message, something along this line, and you can just follow this and show form. So it will ask you to fill up a form. Here you will have to enter your registered GCash name and your registered phone number and then your email. So once you do that, you just tap on send and you will create a ticket, and GCash help and support team will receive your message. So within 24 hours or 48 hours, you should be able to, they will get back to you, and hopefully they should be able to fix your problem. And after you do that, you should easily be able to access your account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification to get more videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.